Are you a student? Are you living within the United States? Do you have some artistic abilities? If you can say yes, yes, and yes to those three things, I have a special contest just for you. Let me get into it. Every year here at SwiftKick, we love to celebrate the students that we get to work with throughout the year. And the way we celebrate that is a combination of pulling together both you, the amazing student artist who's out there, and our passion, and something we're well known for, which is the Free Hugs campaign. Every single year, we hold a competition for one student to design our yearly Free Hugs postcard. And I'm gonna show you some of the ones from prior years. Here's one that was done in 2019, and here's another example of one. Here's one that was done in 2017. Here's another one that was done in 2015, and one was done in 2014. And then lastly, this is one of our original Free Hugs postcards that we had designed. So now we're entering into a new year, 2024, and we need you, the student leader who is here in the United States and has some artistic abilities, to enter the contest and design our 2024 Free Hugs postcard that we will then use internally and will give out to all of the clients that we work with. I know some of you are like, Tom, but what are the details? Well, here are the details you need to know. November 19th is the cutoff date for submitting your Free Hugs designs. And I know you just heard me say designs. Yes, you can submit more than one design to the competition. All you gotta do is email us at sk@swiftkick.hq.com. That's sk@swiftkick.hq.com with your design or designs that you have created. The postcard is a 4x6 postcard, so keep that in mind. And it has to include, obviously, Free Hugs somehow, some way into that postcard. We will internally filter out to the top choices internally, and then we're gonna have a public voting competition where we're gonna have the public choose our final 2024 winner for the Free Hugs postcard for SwiftKick. So again, if you are a student, you live in the United States, and you have some artistic abilities, then make sure you submit your design or designs by November 19th to be included into this competition. And yes, we will give a monetary prize, a small one, but a thank you to the student who gets chosen as our 2024 final Free Hugs postcard, which will go out to thousands of people throughout 2024 with your name and your information on it. If this sounds like something you're interested in, go for it, jump on it. Time is shrinking down. My name's Tom. I'm here to help you engage your people. I'll see you in the next video.